Hi Shubham, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Hello, sir. I am good. How are you?
I am also doing good, thank you. So for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Shubham Kothari with us today. He has recently completed his multi-track training program here at I-MEDITA and got placed with one of the company into the networking and cybersecurity domain. So today we are here to discuss about his experience during the training, what kind of preparation he did throughout his course, about his existing IT background as well. So, hi Shubham, welcome again, and let's get started. So, could you please tell us about yourself, your background into the IT industry?
Hello, everyone. My name is Shubham Kothari. I have experience in cybersecurity, and now I am happy to share with all of you that I have joined the Softenger company. Uh, I am happy to say all of you that by joining the I-MEDITA course and attending the lectures, I am happy that I got placed by my efforts and the support which I got from the I-MEDITA. The staff which supported me when I needed help, they helped me a lot. And by continuous feedback by the placement team also, by applying to the companies, I feel happy that I got placed and very fast this process came place.
So, for which course and training program you have enrolled here at iMedita?
For the multi-track program in which I learned CCNA, CCNP, firewall, and personality development, which also helped me to improve my confidence, which I was and now what I am. Uh, so much difference by attending that personality development program also.
Have you completed your entire course or you got placed in between itself?
I got placed in between itself, but currently I am also doing the firewall course, which I am doing with which I will do with my current job also.
Okay, wonderful. So, what motivated you to join iMedita? There are many training providers offering similar kind of training courses online and offline. How you got to know about iMedita and what motivated you to join iMedita?
As I-MEDITA name is also big, and I heard about this I-MEDITA from my friend. He also got placed, so by him I joined the I-MEDITA, and today I also recommend everyone to join I-MEDITA because I also got placed by I got review from my friend, so that I joined. I also got placed, and I also tell everyone to join, but please do dedicatedly whichever things are taught to you, whichever the team is telling you to do it very well.
How was your overall experience here at iMedita? Experience when I say in terms of training, in terms of labs, in terms of guidance from instructors, PD classes. Overall, how was your experience?
Sir, it was 10 out of 10 because in the PD class also I was not properly able to means on first day, but the way which ma'am tell us, the way she listens to us and explains us properly, I was not able to means tell on first day, but slowly improvement at the last it was better from the day first. So my experience was very good with iMilitary.
How much time you spent here on daily basis, and you opted for online classes or offline classes?
So first 3 months I have done the online class, but after that, as per sir told me to do the offline class for the means it is needed to be present there to know what things are being done here, how the things are done, what should means I should know what everyone is doing for the. So I have joined offline also, but first I have done online class.
And how much time you were spending with your learning?
I was spending around 6 to 8 hours daily,
Okay, okay. You mentioned that
including the class.
okay, including class and labs. Overall, you were spending
Yes, yes.
7 to 8 hours,
Six
right?
hours. Yes.
6 hours. Okay. You mentioned that initially you did online classes and later on you did offline classes. What differences you felt in terms of doing online classes and doing offline classes?
So in the online class also, means it was also best, like the sir which taught us, whenever we have query, he used to solve the query. But in offline class we get the access of lab. So, and the culture also which we sit there, what other students are doing, we can also do the knowledge sharing with them, which I was not able to do online. So
So
in the offline also.
if we compare both options that you did online, you did offline, in which mode you get the better output?
So, sir, in both the modes, the output was better. In online, it was also not like online. Each and every step, it was not feeling like I was doing online. It was like offline also. But I get the access of lab there, and the students also what are they doing, how they are preparing. That is the benefit which we get while we do the offline class.
Okay,
So, if I am supposed to do online, I am not able to communicate with everyone. Like we communicate with other in offline.
right.
So that is the difference, but in the teaching online is also wins best.
What are the two, three things you like the most about training and your experience here at I-MEDITA?
So personality development training I like the most, and the support which we get when we are in need, that is also important.
Okay. Did you got all the required learning material and support from our team during your course?
Yes, yes, sir. Whenever I needed, sir has given.
Okay. What study material you followed during your particular training?
So the course notes which we get from the I-MEDITA, I have gone through that notes and the lab book which are given, and the practicals which sir taught us while the training. We used to implement that.
Okay. And along with your live classes and offline classes, did you also utilize our video-based learning LMS for your particular revision and self-study?
Or not audible.
Yeah. Okay. Along with your live classes and offline classes, did you also utilize the video recording on the learning
Yes,
management
yes,
system?
yes.
How
So,
important a role
so,
that played in your revision?
okay. So, suppose I have done the live class today. Some points are left, or we did not recognize them. So I used to watch the video again to revise it again. So it get from doing that. So it is also best so that we can watch the videos again whenever we are needed. We also get the Excel sheet in that all the things are mentioned, which topic is there, on which date it is. So it is also important.
Okay. And did you got all the required support from our placement team as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many total interviews you have given till now?
So till now I have given interviews, but in the third
Sorry, how
interview
many?
I got
How many interviews?
three interviews total.
Okay.
But luckily in third interview I got placed.
Okay. And what kind of salary growth you have got compared to your previous one?
So around compared to my previous one, I got 100% hike.
Okay, wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Based on your experience during the training program and experience here at I-MEDITA, would you recommend our training and services to your other friends and to people in your network as well?
Yes, sir. Definitely, I will refer to all my friends and
Okay.
family.
And do you have any suggestion, any feedback for us through which we may improve our training and services in future?
So, sir, it is the best which I got.
Okay. And do you have any message or anything to other people like you who are in the training phase as of now? What should they do and what approach should they follow? However, they are being mentored by our team itself for all these things, but based on your experience, do you have any suggestion for them?
So, based on my from my view, those who are joining new members, I will tell them that they should definitely join, but should dedicatedly do which the team has told us that this much you have to do on regular basis. If you are doing and following the which I Medita tell us, definitely we will get placed, because everything, each and everything is being taught here, from the syllabus to the personality development. And those who are already in the I-MEDITA, they will also get placed, I am sure. And obviously they are following the things which I-MEDITA is telling them, but need time, so should do. So I also got failed in first interview, but again I have given interview, but again I have in third interview I got placed. So
Great.
obviously it will take some time also, but you will get best.
Right. Are you happy with the services you have got from our side?
Yes sir, I am happy.
Thank you, Shubham. Thank you for giving us your valuable
Thank you
time.
sir.
We wish you all the very best for future endeavors. Keep learning, keep growing,
Thank you so
and
much sir.
all the best once again.